This is one of the best workshops I personally have ever attended. I've been in private industry for over 25 years, participated and led multiple similar efforts to help ideate on some of our biggest concerns and problems as a society.
I think anyone who is interested in helping people advance an idea, to come up with a better idea, and to find solutions that are practical, applicable, and helpful in the world, I think they'd enjoy the workshop.
Hands down, one of the best workshops I've ever been to, and I've been to plenty over the years.
A lot of hands-on experience, thinking about how to solve a problem and human-centric solution.
Always so nice to have someone come and reinvigorate those creative skills, those design thinking skills.
We're kind of coached to come up with our own thoughts and ideas.
Interesting exercise in learning how to break down a problem and clearly, concretely what the problem is, and then think about specific causes and effects of that problem.
This event put me in a room with industry leaders, business owners, as well as academia, and to talk a lot about solving problems, problem solving.
The Ycenter design workshop, and it's been a lot of fun.
The creative thinking, how do you think outside the box?
It is very immersive, very personable, a lot of learning and thinking outside of the box.
I would highly recommend to universities any type of entrepreneurial or innovation group, corporate partners, to the general public, simply because the way it changes your thought process can benefit you not only in your personal life, but in your professional life as well. 10 out of 10.
Would definitely recommend it. It's a great experience for anybody that wants to think about ways to change the world.